Hello friends, today we will discuss complex matrix. What is complex matrix? Complex matrix is the matrix in which at least one of the entries is complex. That is A is equals to A plus IB, C E plus IF. These are the entries which are complex. So this matrix is called complex matrix. Now, what is the conjugate matrix? Conjugate matrix is the matrix complex matrix. Firstly, it is a complex matrix, right? Which is obtained by replacing the elements of A. This complex matrix entries, when we replace it by corresponding complex number, then it is called conjugate matrix and it is denoted by A bar. Now, example is that A is this matrix, this is complex matrix. What we have said, it is always a complex matrix, and the complex matrix, and we replace the element by conjugate complex number, then it is a complex number I, and the complex conjugate is minus I. So taking whenever it is I, then it is, we should replace it by minus 2i, minus I. So it is minus 2i minus I 0 minus 2i, right? So it is conjugate transpose, conjugate matrix. What is transpose conjugate? Transpose conjugate is the mean that taking the conjugate of the transpose, right? So it is represented as a star, a theta, a bar dash, a dash bar. So this is said to be transpose conjugate matrix. Now the example is that A is equals to this matrix, then taking the A dash is the transpose of this, though, so it is make 2 3 plus I, 2 plus I, and 3. Taking the bar of this will become A star, right? So the complex conjugate transpose matrix. Now, what is the Hermitian matrix? Why we will learn all these types of matrix? Because of Hermitian matrix and skew Hermitian. Hermitian matrix is that which satisfied if it is a complex matrix, A is equals to A star. If any matrix equals to its transpose bar, then it is called Hermitian matrix. Now let us define the example of this. This is the example. It is A, right? It is A. So we will take A dash. A dash is that 2 3 plus I. This will become row is becomes columns. Then it is columns. So taking the bar of this will become 2 3 minus 2i. This minus 2i minus 4 same minus 6i, right? So eventually we say that A is equals to A bar dash. So this matrix is called, A is called Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix determinant is always a real number, right? Now what is skew Hermitian? Skew Hermitian is A is equals to minus of A star. Its diagonal entries are always skew Hermitians is either purely imaginary or zero. Some results it's that A is Hermitian matrix, then IA is